laisser ça parce que lui, elle appelle ses frères nigériens.
Oui, il appelle les frères
Oui.
nigériens pour venir.
Oui, moi, je vais laisser ça.
C'est la police qui
Moi,
va
je vais faire François, moi, je suis lui. Elle appelle ses frères nigériens. Moi-même,
Non, pas de problème.
il ne faut pas qu'elle me mette dans les trucs. François, pardon, moi, comme tu es lui. Il ne veut pas les trucs, on va dire que je ne suis pas. Lui-même, il connaît, nous sommes dans le même truc.
Bon.
Mais il ne savait pas que c'est comme ça.
Il dit,
Parce que lui,
ce n'est que l'ascenseur là qui mène là-bas.
lui, ce n'est que le et le.
Ou bien il y a une autre sensée là, mais c'est pas derrière.
D'accord.
Est-ce
Est-ce qu'il y a une autre entrée ici là? Il y a une autre entrée.
Il nous donnait des bonnes informations.
Ok, Désir. Ok, pas de problème tout à l'heure.
Ces gars nigériens, ils nous donnaient des bonnes informations. Parce qu'il y a beaucoup de. Je crois que même en bas là, il y a la possibilité de monter.
Bon, moi je peux regarder quelque part en bas, peut-être si vous restez ici.
Oui, non, je suis là. Je suis là.
Ouais, moi je regarde. Je
Il
regarde. Je m'en vais par là, je regarde. Vous voyez le régime bizarre dictatorial de Biya qui croit déjouer les gens. Ouais. Nous allons les traquer. Donc repartager. Repartager. Ils se sont cachés. Ils se sont cachés dans les... Ils se sont cachés et bloqué l'ascenseur. Mais si vous vous cachez, vous bloquez l'ascenseur, les qui viendront faire les passeports? Oui, donc il y a quelqu'un qui demande c'est quoi? C'est le régime dictatorial de Biya, consulat du Cameroun en Angleterre, qui ont décidé de venir aujourd'hui en Finlande pour se concurrencer la révolution en Finlande. Donc, partagez. Partagez. Donc, ils ont décidé de vouloir passer à un bras de fer. Là, ils ont bloqué, ils se sont bloqués en haut, ils ont pris l'ascenseur et puis se sont bloqués en haut. Mais nous ne savons pas comment est-ce qu'ils vont pouvoir faire pour établir les passeports des gens s'ils ferment la porte. Comment allez-vous? But, yeah, but where is the church? I just want to make sure. Yeah. Sorry, we have no problem, you understand? I just want to make sure, you understand?
No problem.
Okay.
Yes, you don't have to enter. It's church. Yeah, I see church now. Yes, church.
No problem.
Maybe it's what my church is this.
We are looking for some people who don't have the... Thank you.
Are you from Finland?
Yeah.
Yeah, in Finland.
Yeah. Tell me, how to get to the third level? To the third floor? You say?
I said, we will teach it. Just
Okay.
Brothers, no. You are doing the right thing, brother.
No.
You are doing the right thing. We know what is happening.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, but you are doing the right thing. Keep it up. No, you can follow there, Abi. Let me open from here.
No. The problem is that they block the lift. So from the lift, we cannot go up. There must be another way to get up.
They don't block out your lift.
They block the lift.
This goes to the lift. This does not go to the lift.
Which one?
Where are the others? Are you going alone?
No. They will come. I just come and check the place.
Yeah, when they are come, I will lead you people here.
No, they are here. They are there. Just show me the place how to get on in the third floor.
Where are the others? You are with them.
They are here. I just come because they are checking that other people doesn't come in. You understand? I leave them on the door. Yeah. Show me the place how to get on the third floor because now they block the lift.
That's what I'm asking you. You cannot go there alone.
Don't worry. They do nothing to me even if I'm
up
not.
here.
Don't worry. I don't care about them. I don't care about them. Don't worry for that. Tell me. Now how to go? I can go out and then I take them. Perfect. This one. Perfect, perfect. Thank you so much, my bro. Okay. Thank you, thank you. I will come there and don't come on the louder one. So I take. Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
Come and pass from there.
From that place, right? Okay, perfect, perfect. There's not any way. Bro, just 1 minute, please. I take one guy. Yes, I call you back. I call you back, Mina. I call you back. Juste 1 minute, restez connectés, restez connectés. Ouais, viens, allons-y. Allons-y. Ils croient qu'ils peuvent. Viens. Non, ouais, il m'a montré un endroit. C'est pas ça. C'est ça. Allons-y. Allons-y. Comme ces gens veulent voir avant d'accepter, on va leur montrer. You are here, right? You are here. You was talking with me nicely. Don't close the door because
Don't close the door.
it doesn't.
Don't close the door.
You are closing door for nothing.
You don't need to close the door.
You don't need to close the door because we will take you out.
You don't need to close the door. Open the door.
Open the door.
Open the door.
You have 5 minutes to open the door.
Open the door. Open the door. You have to leave. Thieves from Cameroon.
You have 5 minutes. If you don't open the door, once I will catch you, bro.
Pack your things very quick because you have 5 minutes to leave. If not, we will do something now. 5 minutes. 5 minutes to leave.
You tell to me before, let's talk nicely. Now I am talking nicely to you. You have 5 minutes to open the door.
And leave.
Hey.
Thieves from Cameroon. Come and collect.
You were saying to me that we have to talk nicely. Now I am talking nicely to you. You have 5 minutes to go. La porte ne se ferme pas, il arrête avec son doigt. Viens, on va. I tell you, you have 5 minutes. You don't. Non, non, ça se ferme pas. Il a arrêté. Tu as vu, non? Regarde. C'est sa main qui arrête. Tu as vu? Voilà, you press ouf.
Ils ont fait mal.
Non, non, non.
Ils ont fait mal.
Ouais?
Ils ont fait mal.
Bro.
Mama Afrique, tell your people to live peacefully so that we don't do damage here. Tell your people to live peacefully.
You know you said to the police that you are going.
Peacefully. Because they said to the police that they are leaving.
Live peacefully.
You cannot host bandits from UK here. Fraudulent passports, fraudulent money. Collect money to go and kill our people in Cameroon. You cannot host them here, Mama Afrique. So tell them to live peacefully now. If not, be ready of the consequences. We are informing you. We are being nice now. We are informing you. Ask them to leave. Fraudulent thieves from Cameroon. Come and make fraudulent passport here. You pay tax in Finland? You know how much you work and pay tax here? You come and collect 305 euros. Jeez. Jeez. Fake documents. You come and get their passports. So ask them to leave. We're waiting here. The earlier they leave, the better. Earlier they leave, the better. Before we demonstrate here now. So ask them to leave peacefully. Pack their things and go away. Jeez.
The time is going. We are asking you to go out. The time is running. We are asking you to go out.
Come on, do fake documents here. 305 euros. Collect from poor Cameroonians. Cameroonians are getting poorer every day because of the banks. Come and collect 305 euros because of stupid passport. When Germany make passport 25 euros, Finland make passport 50 euros, you come and get a passport 305 euros because it's a special passport. Yeah. Well, some things from embassy that they come to make passport. Come and collect them from us and they're making passport. 305 euros. Yeah. One passport, 305 euros. So you want to make a one passport, get ready to 305 euros. So that they can fill their pocket. You can fill their pocket with the people. Want to fill their pocket with
We are telling you, we will block the door. You will finally go out. But if you want to go out in this way, you will go out.
Yeah, we are saying they have to leave. We have told Mama M, Mama Afri, they have to leave. If not, you call the police now. I will fix it with the police. They have to leave. It's not a joke. They have to leave. Yes. And we agree in the morning. We agree in the hotel that they are leaving. They come and find another place. Yes, they will say that. You will start it peacefully. Mama Afri is not listening to us. I told her you are my sister. Asking people to leave peacefully your place. This place is not meant for fraudulent documents and fraudulent passports. This place is not meant for that.
You will go out. Ah ouais? Pas derrière, n'est-ce pas?
There's another door to come in. Do you know this place very well? Because they might be going out from the other door. Are you sure? I'm not sure about this. There's another door somewhere there. I mean, there's a back to come from the behind.
And in the back, in the other one, right?
I'm not sure, but I'm not very sure. So this is on the door. So let them come out and leave. They should come out and leave. Thieves from Cameroon. Bandits. Thieves from Cameroon. They have to leave. And now. They have to leave and now. No joking here. Come and exploit us because we are stupid Cameroonians. Mama Afri, we are giving you time, oh. Ask those people to leave, oh. Open the door, let them come out and leave. Open the door, let them come out and leave. We are asking you to ask those people to leave their premises. Those thieves from UK, they should leave their premises. We are asking you peacefully. Those people should leave their premises. Okay. We are waiting. We are waiting until they leave. They have to leave. They have to leave their premises. We are waiting. They must leave. Fraudulent thieves from Cameroon come and exploit us in Finland. You know how we want the money? Come and collect 305 euros for passport. Because we're in Finland, Northern country. We have all the euros in our pocket. Thieves from Cameroon. Thieves! Kill our people. We want to buy more guns to kill our people. That's what we want to do. You collect money from us, buy more guns, kill our people. Eh? That is what we want to do. No way. Not in Finland. Sorry. And that is the end of the story. Never can be anymore for that nonsense. A passport. We can live without that stupid Cameroon passport. And live without this passport. So open the door, let them live peacefully. Peacefully. Let them leave their premises. If not, we're obliged to break that door and come in.
You want to force us to break the door?
They should live peacefully. If not, we'll break the door and come in and chase them out. Yes. Fraudulent passport.
C'est ce que tu fais. Regarde, s'il te plaît, regarde ma voiture. Regarde ma voiture qu'on ne donne pas. Oui. Non, te dérange pas. Oui. Te dérange pas. Regarde juste ma voiture. S'il y a quelqu'un qui vient, tu m'appelles sur mon téléphone.
Fraudulent people.
Comment?
Attends, il y a notre voiture pour sortir par derrière. Est-ce que tu sais? Non, je demande juste passer, il peut sortir par derrière là.
Le grand, tu peux rester ici, je m'en vais contrôler. Si tu veux, je peux aller continuer.
Non, non, le problème c'est que, est-ce que tu sais que c'est quelle porte? C'est là le problème. Parce que je sais que, oui, normalement, on prend les vis ici pour monter ici. Mais je ne sais pas si par derrière, on peut toujours prendre ces vis ici pour monter.
Je pense qu'on peut. Je pense qu'on peut. Allô? Oui, c'est comment? Non, ils sont là. Ils ont pris, ils nous ont déjoué. Ils ont dit à la police qu'ils partaient. Ils sont allés prendre encore. Ils sont allés voir African, quoi là, pour le louer encore, quoi.
On va filmer
pour prendre une autre place.
On va mettre ça là-dessus sur Internet. Ça ne fait pas de problème.
La police les a demandé de partir, donc pour l'instant ils sont là.
Ils sont là pour nous faire des
on les a donné un peu de temps pour quitter et puis ils ne comprennent pas.
Pour comprendre les gens qui nous trouvent ici. Voilà, c'est ça. Tu ne peux pas avoir une association africaine pour nous finir les Africaines. C'est pas possible. You cannot have an African association to kill Africans. No way.
Si. Tout à l'heure. They don't need to do that. They don't need to do that because in any way they will go out, I will break the door soon. You know, I don't care what will happen.
305 euro for one passport because Cameroon passport is a magical passport, special ink, special paper. 305 euros. But because we Cameroonians, you have abandoned us. We have been so desperate. I will still need that your desperate passport. No way. It's ended today. It's ended today. Because we are so desperate. You offer only anything we take. Offer anything we take. So that's why they continue. And they have the pride to come and collect 305 euros from desperate Cameroonians. We cannot progress because of these people. We can't progress. Because they don't feed back the information. They have to collect their own money and put it in their pocket. They don't feed the information back.
Bro, I will tell you one thing. I know you know this house. And if there is another way to come inside, I know you know. But you don't need to hide it. If you know, I know.
I don't work here. I don't live in Helsinki. I live in Kerava. I don't know. Are you from Finland?
Yes. Over 10 years.
I have lived here also 7 years. And I'm telling you, with this problem, our channel was the first in Finland to broadcast about the problem in Ambazonia. So even on our TV channel, we had a program called Ambazonia Hour. I don't know if you know about it.
Yeah.
Ambazonia Hour.
Yeah.
Che Abongwa, Stanley and everything. Yeah. They come to our studio. We give them the platform to talk about this. So if you are telling me that I'm protecting this, no. But what I'm trying to tell you is that I understand your situation. Take it that maybe it's one of your brothers who works for the government and they ask him, go and do passport in another country for people. What are you going to say? So for me, in my opinion, these people are only working.
Yeah, they will tell them in the morning. In that situation, they were well informed. So they would have carried the information back. That they have been chased out even by the police. The police asked them to go, so they cannot walk. They would have carried back that information. But they didn't carry it because they have their own money they want to pocket. They're expecting 15,000 to 20,000. If they're calling, yes. Yeah. For passport, they're expecting 15 to 20,000 if Cameroonians are coming here for that passport. So in that, they pocket their own 10,000 euros to go and buy guns and kill our people. Yes, that's their plan. And that is why they don't relay the information. Because they have their own ticket.
Bonjour les enfants. Excusez-moi si j'ai trop de bruit. Prenez-moi les noms de ces gens-là, s'il vous plaît. Envoyez-moi les noms des gens que vous avez trouvés avec les passeports. Trouvez un moyen d'avoir leur nom et leur photo. Je m'en fous. Donnez-moi leur nom. Maman Eliane. Donc sur Messenger, envoyez-moi leur nom. Je vais faire un direct ce soir avec leurs photos et leur nom. Pour les afficher mondialement. Parce que ce sont ces gens-là qui pourrissent les boules. Ce sont ces gens-là qui pourrissent les bêtis. Ce n'est pas tous les bêtis qui sont...
Vous voyez, ça c'est la troisième adresse.
Nous-mêmes, nous sommes fatigués. C'est que beaucoup n'en parlent pas.
La première adresse, ils ont su qu'on venait, ils ont changé. Ils sont allés dans
Vous savez, quand on dit bêtis, il y a Konolinga, il y a Ewonde, il y a... Donc, on On ne peut pas continuer à collectionner les mêmes cons, les mêmes voleurs, les mêmes bêtises. On ne peut plus. Donnez-moi leurs photos, prenez leurs photos s'il vous plaît. Demandez à la police, ils vont vous donner les photos. Je suis fatiguée. On ne sait plus dans quelle langue on doit parler. On est en train, c'est comme si tu coupais un tronc d'arbre qui ne peut jamais se couper. On coupe là-bas, ils grandissent de l'autre côté. Et là-bas, ils grandissent de l'autre côté. Ce n'est plus possible. Ce n'est plus possible.
Vous savez, ils ont eu...
C'est pour cela que je vous demande
Ils ont eu...
Prenez ces noms, les photos, s'il vous plaît. Donnez-moi même
On les
personne.
a demandé, la police les a fait quitter l'hôtel
Donnez-moi ça.
et les a demandé de quitter.
Cette histoire-là, je vais
Ils
pas.
ont changé
Je
les
vais
lieux
même prêter,
pour
on va
venir chez
m'acheter
une
une puce
Africaine.
tout à l'heure. Pourquoi
Regardez
on ne me
l'adresse.
bloque pas?
Donc,
Je peux m'en occuper.
c'est nos propres frères, africains qui nous combattent.
On
Voilà
travaille comme
l'adresse.
si on
La
ne
police les
travaillait
a
pas.
chassés à
Les
l'hôtel où
passeports
ils étaient.
des gens, les passeports, on vole les passeports, on vient les vendre comme ça. Et alors que ceux qui ont
Regardez
payé les
l'adresse.
passeports depuis longtemps n'ont pas les passeports. Ils ont dit que nous avons volé les
Voici l'adresse.
passeports dans l'ambassade. Et ces passeports qu'ils ont là sortent d'où? Ils ont ces passeports, ça sort d'où? J'en ai ras-le-bol.
La police,
Sortez-moi leur
la
nom,
police
les enfants,
les a
s'il vous plaît.
délogés. La police les
Sortez-moi
a
les noms.
délogés de l'hôtel.
Envoyez une box.
Et
Sur ma
pour
main,
se réfugier, ils
si vous
reviennent chez une
n'arrivez
africaine. Donc,
pas à
regardez
envoyer
l'adresse.
sur mon
C'est nos
messenger,
frères
allez
africains
sur
qui
mon
nous combattent.
messenger,
Regardez
envoyez-moi les
l'adresse.
noms des voleurs là
Regardez
avec
l'adresse.
leurs photos. S'il vous plaît, je m'en occupe. Tout à l'heure même.
If you
Je
didn't
m'en
like
occupe.
it, you do that.
Faites-moi
No,
confiance.
You are hiding them. You
Je
are
m'en
hiding
occupe.
them. You are hiding them.
C'est pour cela que je vous ai
But
demandé
you are hiding
de
them.
m'envoyer ça.
We told
Je
you,
ne peux
we
plus
told you are
continuer.
hiding them.
Ça dit que c'est le vol aggravé. C'est quelque chose qu'on doit les foutre en prison. C'est de la prison. C'est de la prison. Voler les pièces d'identité de l'État. Faire ce qu'ils ont l'habitude de faire. Et nous, on reste là, on ne fait rien, on ne dit rien. Merci, bravo les enfants. Vous êtes formidables. Je vous ai envoyé les appréciations ce matin. Ce travail va se multiplier en millions. Tout le monde va être policier. Comme ici en Allemagne, tout le monde est gendarme, tout le monde est policier. Et comme ça, on va voir.
Our
On va voir
African
si ce travail
brothers,
va passer.
what are they doing here? If there is not that kind of situation, we never know with whom we
Très
are.
haut de force. Parce que le monsieur Kamto, il est président de la République et seulement lui
voyez?
seul qui doit signer dès la passation de service sera fait. Il va prendre le travail, savoir qui fait quoi et qui fait quoi. Ce régime voleur ne doit plus rien faire. Voilà,
Vous voyez,
c'est ça que je voulais
il
vous
faut des
dire. Envoyez-moi leurs
situations comme ça
photos.
pour savoir
Je
où
m'en
ils
occupe.
sont. C'est nos frères
Je peux
africains
vous
qui
rassurer
nous
que je m'en occupe. Personnellement, ce soir, je m'en occupe de ça. Tout le monde entier va connaître qui ils sont. Jusqu'à dans les villages.
Ils sont allés à
Ça
Moni.
suffit. On ne peut plus
À Hôtel
continuer comme
la
ça.
police les a chassés.
On ne peut
Ils
plus.
viennent se réfugier chez nos frères,
Ils
chez
sont
nos
deux.
frères africains.
Ont besoin de leur passeport ici. Ils ont payé depuis. On vend les passeports. Vous allez vendre quoi encore? Vendez aussi les clitoris de vos mères. Parce qu'il reste que ça à vendre. Les enfants, vous vendez.
Ils vendent les
Les femmes, vous
passeports.
vendez.
300
Vos frères, vous
euros un
vendez.
passeport.
Vous vendez tout. Parce que vous ne pouvez pas travailler. On vous demande de travailler. Vous ne pouvez pas travailler. Vous continuez à voler. On ne peut pas. Il n'y a personne qui peut encore continuer à vous comprendre. Il n'y a plus personne qui peut vous... Au lieu que vous vous preniez en main pour rejoindre l'équipe qui gagne, l'équipe qui gagne, c'est l'équipe des travailleurs. Si vous ne pouvez pas retrouver cette équipe, alors restez coincés là où vous êtes ici. Mais le vol des pièces, des papiers de l'État, comme vous avez souvent volé, maintenant ça suffit. C'est basta, c'est stop quoi. C'est stop. Merci les enfants, reprenez la ligne. Envoyez-moi ce que j'ai besoin. Merci. Je vous partage ça pour que les autres se rejoignent à vous. Reprenez la ligne. Oui, papa. Oui. Envoyez-moi les photos. C'est le plus important. On ne peut pas continuer comme ça. Nous ne pouvons plus continuer. On ne peut plus. Ce sont ces mêmes gens qui ont tué Biya. Parce que ils ont trouvé le poteau rose là où ils peuvent voler quand ils veulent, ils jouent avec l'État, ils jouent avec tout de l'État, ils s'amusent avec l'État.
Tu vois, la police,
Donc on ne
la
peut plus.
police les a dit il y a de cela quelques heures de libérer l'hôtel où ils étaient et d'emballer leurs valises et partir. Ils ont voulu faire une troisième tentative en appelant nos frères africains. Regardez, voici l'adresse. Donc ils viennent se réfugier chez nos propres frères africains.
Papa, s'ils s'amusent, vous leur cassez même la gueule. S'ils s'amusent, vous leur cassez la gueule. S'ils s'amusent, vous leur cassez la gueule. Vous leur cassez la gueule. Parce que c'est ce qu'ils méritent.
Le Cameroun est en guerre.
Pourquoi vous venez vendre encore des papiers? Le Cameroun est bien. Le Cameroun est bien. Le Cameroun est bien, vous venez vendre les passeports. Le Cameroun est bien. Pourquoi vous venez ici, en Europe? Le Cameroun est bien.
Donc, je vais descendre, regarder
Ça suffit maintenant.
s'il y a une autre sortie.
Voilà. Salut.
S'il y a une autre
Ils
sortie,
vendent
il y a une autre
ils volent les
sortie en bas.
passeports, ils viennent vendre en Finlande. Ah. Non. Je peux plus. Arrêtez d'envoyer vos têtes de mort là. Je vais vous envoyer les ABC à la place. Arrêtez d'envoyer les têtes de
Mon
mort là.
frère,
Si vous
ne pense
n'envoyez
pas à ton
vraiment
boulot.
me taquiner, continuez à envoyer.
Ce que nous sommes en train de faire, c'est plus que le boulot, ton boulot.
On vous parle de changer, vous n'arrivez pas à changer. Le vol a pris le dessus. C'est tout ce que vous savez faire, c'est voler. Tout ce que vous savez faire, c'est la magouille, c'est le vol. C'est comme ça qu'un pays va évoluer. Comment vous croyez que le pays va évoluer avec ça? Ce que vous avez appris de la France, vous ne savez pas que la France a d'autres choses que vous pouvez aussi apprendre. Tout ce que vous avez appris de la France, c'est voler. Et faire la mafia. C'est tout ce que vous avez trouvé en France. Et pourtant, en France, tu as beaucoup de choses qui sont importantes. Il y a des choses importantes en France, oui ou non? Tout ce que vous avez trouvé, c'est ce qui est dégueulasse, c'est ce qui est minable, c'est ce qui vous rend de plus en plus bête. J'ai même vu un qui voulait parler, qui voulait faire un peu la force. Mais voilà, ils n'ont même pas besoin de... Ça dit le ridicule de Tupa.
Le ridicule, là, mais le ridicule.
Je ne peux plus.
Nous allons les traquer.
Je ne peux plus. J'essaie de prendre les devants pour dire qu'ils ne savaient pas. Ils sont... Non, c'est la gangrène. C'est la gangrène. Il faut couper à la souche. Il faut carrément couper à la souche. Nous ne pouvons pas couper sur les arbres, sur les... On coupe à la souche. Biya est mort, foutez le camp au chat. Biya est mort. On recommence tout à zéro. Tous ceux qui ont senti rien que l'odeur de ce gouvernement, qui n'approche même pas, qui n'approche pas. On ne peut plus continuer comme ça. Basta. Putain, basta, on en a ras-le-bol. Si j'étais là-bas, vous allez voir la folie avec vos yeux. C'est que quand ils me voient à distance, ces sardinats me connaissent. À distance, quand ils me voient, ils se cachent. La plupart du temps, c'est comme ça. Même dans les gares comme ça, je suis dans une gare comme ça. Ils me voient à distance, ils connaissent. Et ils se cachent. Des fois, tu vois quelqu'un qui se fait tout petit comme ça. Parce que je vais finir avec les boyaux de quelqu'un ici. Puisque vous m'avez dit que je suis la mère des terroristes, je vais terroriser vos têtes. Vous allez comprendre. Pas possible. C'est moi la mère des terroristes. Vous allez voir si on est terroriste, si c'est nous qui aimons le monde. Ou c'est vous qui l'aimez plus que nous. Vous vous rendez compte, le ridicule.
I want to know if behind the another way for them to go out. Or if it's like, no.
Ouais, papa.
Okay.
Je m'en vais préparer le direct. Envoyez-moi les photos de ces gens.
D'accord, ma mère, d'accord. Non.
Je
vais vous envoyer. Non, on va les
vais
traquer.
montrer au monde entier que ce sont des gens qui vendent même nos bébés, les enfants. C'est les mêmes là qui mettent.
C'est clair. C'est clair. C'est clair. Vous voyez là, ils se sont enfermés à l'intérieur, mais là,
Ce sont les
on va
mêmes
casser la
qui
porte.
mettent les filles dans les camions.
Comme ils veulent.
Ce sont les mêmes qui vendent nos enfants à Dubaï. Ce sont les mêmes qui vendent des
Comme ils
passeports.
veulent nous
Ce sont
pousser
les
à
mêmes
arriver
qui
là.
volent les bébés dans les maternités et qui les vendent. Donc on ne peut plus. Les gens comme ça, on dit il faut finir avec. Ça veut dire que les extradés, de police en police, on ne doit pas les laisser dehors. Si on les laisse dehors, c'est vous qui vous en occupez. Voilà, la maman des terroristes a dit, et vous allez donc voir maintenant.
Je vais bien me,
Comme vous m'avez
je
donné
vais bien
un nom,
me garer.
je
Là, on
veux
va se
l'appliquer.
préparer. Là, on va se préparer à casser la porte. Comme ils veulent qu'on arrive là,
J'en ai
nous allons
ras-le-bol.
arriver là.
Nous,
Donc là,
on
tout
parle,
de
on
suite,
essaie de les amener à
comme
la
ils veulent
raison.
que nous
Non,
arrivons.
c'est comme si tu coupais l'arbre sur les branches. Non? Et toi qui dis là que il y
Comme
avait
ils
pas
veulent que
mon
nous
qui la même
passions.
bande de couillons. Tu quittes là, dégage de là. C'est qui ça? C'est qui a dit ça? Si vous me trouvez le nom de la personne là, vous me l'envoyez aussi. Voilà.
Comme ils veulent que,
Il n'y avait pas moins
comme ils veulent que
imbécile,
nous
bande de cons,
arrivons
vous
à
dites
là.
que ces gens-là, le billard que vous avez, c'est le billard de France-Afrique. Ce n'est pas le billard que vous connaissez avant. Vous voulez, vous comprenez. Si vous ne voulez pas, vous ne comprenez pas. Mais ne venez pas là, on ne vous appelle pas dans l'autre. Personne ne vous a appelé.
Là, ils veulent que nous passons.
Personne
Vous voyez, voilà la
ne
police
vous
qui est
a
encore
appelé
arrivée.
dans les directs des autres.
Voilà la police qui vient. Voilà la police
Vous
qui
êtes
vient
incapable
d'arriver.
de faire vos directs parce que vous connaissez que voler, c'est tout.
D'accord, pas de problème.
Bande d'abrutis comme ça. Vous êtes vraiment des abrutis.
Yes.
Suivez les
Yes,
Bamileke,
we are
essayez
calling
de
police
suivre
because,
ce que les
we
autres
have a
font.
situation
Ces
here.
enfants travaillent.
There is the
Il y en a qui
consulate
cumulent 2
Cameroon
travaux
in
ici,
UK
en Allemagne ici.
who they have
Et
called in
puis 2
Finland.
travaux. Et la fin du mois, est riche sur sa poche. 3 000 euros il gagne. Au lieu d'aller s'asseoir dans les camions et d'autres voleurs et d'autres putes. Vous n'avez pas
We
honte.
have contacted the foreign ministry a couple of days ago to stop them from here in Finland and also the police.
Makola a fait quoi?
They
Makola
have
est énervé.
they've been already
Parce
here
que moi,
in the
j'essaie de
territory.
prendre un peu.
So in the morning,
J'essaie
they are
de
the
prendre
moment
un peu
here.
leur parti.
The police just
On
couple of
essaie de
hours
prendre
agreed with
parmi
them.
eux.
It
Il y
was
a des
inside
gens qui
Gandhi
sont
Hotel
malheureux,
in
qui ne
that they
savent
have
pas
to
ce
stop
qui se
and
passe.
leave.
Mais
They
pendant
say
que tu
yes,
essaies
they
de
agree that
défendre l'autre, les
in
autres
the way we are
continuent le
driving
vol.
home, we get an
Me
information
bongo
that they get
est
an
en prison. Mais
They've been the
il
third
y a
place
100
they
000
are
bongo en
now.
même temps.
The
Ils sont
second
dehors.
place was Gandhi Hotel couple of I think
Il
yes,
va falloir
today, that is the
qu'on
third
trouve
place
une
they are
autre solution.
common today.
Qu'on
They are
trouve
just changing
comment
the
faire.
address. The police took
Comment
them
on va,
out
on
from
va les
Gandhi
mettre
Hotel
les
and
puces
agreed
dessus
that they
pour les
have to
suivre.
stop and go. But they look another place.
Le but, c'est que le Cameroun
Yes,
change.
just happen.
C'est pour cela que nous sommes
Not
debout.
today here.
Il n'est pas de raison que
The
d'autres
police
travaillent,
that they
d'autres
need,
volent.
they will
Non.
stop and go.
Le but, c'est que tout le monde doit
And
travailler
then,
pour
when
manger,
the police go
pour
and we go
ramener
out,
la
they
dignité
leave
au
Gandhi
Cameroun.
Hotel and look
C'est
another
de
place.
ça qu'on parle.
They are from Cameroon.
Ah, vous allez
They
écouter.
live in
Bon,
UK.
c'est bon. Je vous passe
They
le
live in
micro.
UK. Yes.
Je vous passe le micro. Mais donnez-leur les arguments qu'il faut. Pas venir leur déranger.
Well, I will say to them that they are not
Salut les
welcome.
enfants.
The,
Envoyez-moi les noms.
the
J'attends.
European Union have made a statement about the country. The moment I'm talking with you, they are in the third floor upstairs. They closed the door.
Okay. How do we get there?
We get there, it's easy. Mais ils ont bloqué l'ascenseur. Okay. You ask to them before this place where they've been and why they go out. The police took them out from the place.
From the Scandic?
From the Scandic Hotel. Okay. Just a couple of hours ago.
And what was the reason then?
The police took them out because we explained the situation. I have sent the email of well, I contact the foreign ministry. I was talking with them a couple of hours ago.
So it's the third floor?
Yes, it's the third floor.
Okay. We can come with stairs.
Perfect.
La porte ne s'ouvre pas. Là où la police va passer. Ils disent qu'ils partent comment? Ils t'ont dit qu'ils
Ne
partent.
dérange pas, ils vont arriver. De toute façon, ils vont trouver une solution pour venir.
Là-bas derrière, là où tu es parti, c'est qu'il n'y a pas de mon frère. Il n'y a pas de. Il ne faut pas parler mal au
J'ai compris. C'est bon.
C'est parce que si elle m'a même remis mon argent même depuis avant que je suis parti. C'est qu'on a fait. C'est parce qu'elle n'en a pas encore donné.
La police est en train d'arriver, on les a appelés.
Voilà.
c'est l'escorte qui rentre à l'aéroport. Donc ça veut dire que même la police nous a marqué. Parce que la police ont dit qu'ils sont partis.
Il y a des policiers qui viennent.
Voilà, non, c'est bien. Le matin, même, c'était à 6.
Non, c'est François qui parle.
Oui.
Comment ça va être?
No, but I told her that since she doesn't want to go, only the police can solve her. She had to call the police. J'ai dit à l'autre sœur qu'elle appelle la police. Parce qu'elle ne peut pas prendre cette place-ci. Cette place-ci, ce n'est pas pour faire des dossiers frauduleux.
Elle salit son endroit. On ne fait pas
This
ça.
place
Hein.
is not meant to make fraudulent
Nous,
fake documents.
on se bat pour une nation. Hein. Ne viens pas faire tes caca là ici. Hein. Pendant que nous, on se bat, les gens meurent. Hein.
No need to break the
Yes.
law. No need to do that.
We are fighting about one nation. She don't need to do what she's doing now. She's dirtying her place. She don't know what she's doing. She's
Put it on the line.
she's
Online.
dirtying this
is where they
place.
come and make the fake passport.
This place, she's dirtying that.
Yes. IFS, African and European Social Association. They come here to make fake passports and collect 300 euros from Cameroonians. So put it online. Everybody should see that. Thieves. Only the police here. Thieves from Cameroon. That passport.
Okay.
But madam, you will hear say they don't drive them for two places. You will hear so. For today, they drive them for Monaheli, drive them for...
If they want to help people, why they have to try all what they are
Why
trying
you
to
call your
help?
sister they can't get the place? If you don't hear that information, why you call it they can't get the place? Because the police didn't ask them to go. Why you call your sister they get the place? No, they ask you. If you know, and they ask you why, tell us.
It's something that we want to do is to
The
find
police
peace.
asked them to leave.
The police
We don't have
took
any
them
sense
out
of
from the hotel and asked them to
the
leave.
police will come and
They
now-
promised and we make an
now
agreement that they
once
must,
they are escort
they
now.
must stop, that they cannot do
Escort
anymore. So what they have what they did now is not right.
And before they're leaving, I will tell the police they have to check the money they have collected and if they have issued receipt or not. If not, they have to leave the money here. They don't have right to come and collect money here without issuing receipt. So police must check that money. That money they have collected here, police must check it. The money they have collected. Thieves. Africa has no problem because of these people. No way. They don't do things for the people. They do things for themselves.
This is the new consulate of Cameroon in Finland. Donc voici la nouvelle ambassade du Cameroun en Finlande. Ça c'est le nouveau consulat du Cameroun en Finlande. En une journée, on déplace 3 adresses. Ouais, je pense. En une journée, le consulat du Cameroun s'est déplacé de 3 adresses.
Viens faire le passeport, collecter l'argent pour voler notre peuple, tuer notre peuple. Bandits.
So viewers, there's a critical situation going on, and this is Nana's TV Live. There's a tension between the Cameroonian community and the Cameroonian embassy here in Helsinki. So I think the police are into some of the situation.
Speak English.
Yeah,
Finnish.
No, Finnish. Suomen kielen kyllä.
Suomenkin. Okei.
Mitä te teette sillä puhelimella?
Mä otan se video, mä otan live.
Haluatko?
Joo, koska me halutaan ihmiset katsoa, mitä tapahtuu täällä. Joo.
No niin. Jos se jossain vaiheessa häiritsee virkatehtävän suorittamista, niin siinä kohtaa se pitäisi laittaa pois. Jos se sitä tolleen pidät siinä, niin se saa olla. Niin, osaakohan nyt selittää, tai voit sä selittää, että minkä takia he on täällä? Onko ne hakemassa jotain puhutte suomea yhtä?
No puhut muuta vähän
parempi.
parempi. No joo, muuta
puhutte suomea, minkä takia he on täällä?
Parempi englanti.
No parempi eikä, jos mä haluan selvitä parempille.
No voit puhua englantia, kyllä mä ymmärrän sitä ihan.
Okay.
So we are here today because the Cameroonian, they say coming from Cameroonian embassy in UK to make passport to Cameroonian who are resident here, 305 euro. First issue is that the price is double on the regular price. Second issue is that they don't have the right to come in Finland. Foreign Ministry has been informing. I was talking with them a couple of hours ago. Border control have been informing. The police as well have been informing. At the moment now in Cameroon, there's a war. And then, it's a high takuka soita. My voice selvi.
Some non-activity, they have locked themselves inside here. The guys who want the
peace here. Do you live here?
Yes.
You come here to. Was hard, so we were trying to let them know we have to solve, destroy anything or to fight.
It doesn't sound like peacemaking.
There was so much noise, of course.
The police ask everybody to leave, including the police have to check how much they are collected from their gun, shoot our people. They are here.
Union situation that the regime didn't react, and we decide that if they don't respect our European institution, they don't have any right to operate in Europe.
Okay. So what is the problem with them being here?
They are coming to collect money to finance it. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is the problem that they are here? Why they cannot be here?
They cannot be here because they are here to make not legal activity. So they are making illegal activity. They are coming to collect money to finance the war in Cameroon. That we Cameroonians here, we don't accept it.
Okay. So do you live here? Or
I am living here.
Are you in charge of something here?
I am living here in Finland.
Okay. Have you talked with somebody who is in charge of this place and asked about if they can be here?
This is the woman in charge, the lady.
Lady
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those people, they have already...
When I came, I called her, I told her my sister. We were surprised that they came.
Go and check what they are doing.
Collecting money from people. Check if they are issued receipts.
Partagez, envoyez les cœurs, là, on nous signale, là, ça risque de se couper, là.
They are expecting to collect 50,000 to 20,000 people. 50,000 to 20,000 euros from Cameroonians here.
Okay.
Yes, that is cash. And this is not correct because they don't pay taxes. It's not correct. They cannot come and do illegal activities. And
you have some kind of idea?
and the embassy webpage, the embassy. I'm a Cameroonian. Yes. The embassy. Yes.
Can I see your ID too?
I can give you my social security number. I don't have Wi-Fi. I live in my car.
In car?
Yeah.
Okay. Katsotaan Maijalan. Do you have Finnish social security now?
Yes.
You can tell it.
1302
1302
Viva 339 W.
339 double.
Yeah, W.
Okay. What is your name?
François Neptune.
Can you write it? It's easier. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And your home address is in Kerala, right?
No. The other guy.
Where's your
Tanhuan de Uxge.
in Helsinki?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. So we need to go to our car to check your information.
Yeah, it's okay.
The network doesn't work here, so
It's very okay.
Yeah.
but
She's
in charge here, and
Yeah, because they promised the police they're leaving and they came to get another place.
okay.
So you can ask your police colleagues, they were in the morning in Standing Hotel.
Okay, but she's in charge here, and she has told us that you need to leave because she can decide about it. You need to obey it.
Pardon?
Sorry?
What did you say?
She is in charge here.
Yeah.
So she can decide about you can stay here
Yeah.
or you can visit here, and she wants you to leave.
Okay. Yeah, we'll wait for them outside. We're outside. We'll be on the street.
Yeah, yeah.
We have a right to be in the street.
Yeah, of course.
They cannot be foreigner. We want the police to check them, to check the money they have collected And if they have receipt.
But you need to go to the police station.
Yeah, you know, this is very quick. This is very quick. It's happening very quick. We want them to be checked before they leave Finland. We check how much they have collected here.
Yes,
and if they are paying taxes or not. We want them to be checked.
Yeah.
And if they have issued receipt.
That's not an issue of this moment.
Yeah. Of course, we'll wait them outside on the street. We'll wait for them there. Yeah, no. Yeah. Yeah, I'll call you later. We're with the police now. I'll call you later. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Come on, fraudulent activities in Finland.
Nous allons voir comment les gens viendront faire les passeports. Tu vois, voilà des gens qui l'ont pris qui doivent venir faire.
Yeah, we shall have
That's what we are talking about. There has to be peace.
Yeah, but I think they are bringing people up to make a passport.
Which people are bringing me food?
These are his family.
Okay, this is my family. And that's my wife.
Oh, madam, how are you? It's a pleasure. How are you doing? Yes.
Yeah, so that if Nana's TV.
I hope you have
Yeah.
some information this evening to cover the event. Jeez.
Nous allons les attendre.
But how can we want to make a call line very quickly because we want police to investigate it. They are collecting money here. Yes. I'm not issuing receipt in Finland. Fraud. So that place will make the order close that place. So I'm going to collect money from people here. Are you 305 euros for one passport? 305 euros. Yes. It's even cheaper.
For example, on Monday.
No, but the issue is that we want them to be checked because they don't take Finnish money out. Let them, they check them and take the money from them. That is our issue too. We want them to be checked and take the money from them. So that we don't know how we can make this so cheap. And so we can make the report in 2 years. It's okay. We want them to be checked. They don't take the money away. They are collecting money. You know, we came to standing on them and collecting some money. You know, we came in and collecting some money from people. And they don't take receipt. You don't have receipt. So if they have money there, we're able to prove that they have
Okay,
receipt.
one thing at a time, we check first.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Very okay.
On va voir les gens qui viendront faire. Oh.
Cheers.
Où sont les invités qui doivent faire les passeports là? Vraiment.
Tu as informé que la police est là.
Ouais.
Voilà, c'est bon. C'est bon. C'est très bon. C'est très bon.
Où sont les invités des passeports là? Nous les attendons venir faire les passeports.
Voilà. Le faux. C'est du faux la Finlande.
Allô? Oui. Tu as essayé de m'appeler là. Enfin, donc c'est toi qui dois aussi parler du passeport. Ok.
Yeah, no, it's okay. Yeah, I do remember.
Non, pas de problème.
Yeah, she is the Nana's TV.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Non, il y a quel problème, on les attend.
We have some information. Police is here.
Yeah, I did some.
One, they should check the money they have collected here and they should not go with that money.
Yeah.
Because this is money from Finland. They don't
J'ai
pay
pas
tax.
encore reçu. Comme
They
je
come and
suis
collect
en.
money here. And they told the police the money that they are leaving. They came here. That's what they said to the police that they are leaving. They came here. They change the place. Come on, collect money from them. What? 305 euros.
Nous sommes avec les gens là. Ils t'appellent dans quelques minutes. Hein.
One passport, 305 euros.
Okay.
We are making one money machine here.
So, like I said before, the lady who is in charge here told that I'm welcome here.
We don't even need to come here.
Okay.
If those people are not here, what are we doing here?
Good. But if you go there today again and she calls the emergency center and police needs to come here, then the place for you is jail for 24 hours.
It doesn't matter. Me, the thing what matter to me now, it's not the jail because people are dying. What are more bad than the jail? You know. For me, if you don't want me to go there again, just take those people out like the first police did.
Okay.
If they stay there,
Is the issue that they are collecting the money illegally?
yes,
Okay.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
For the party that is making war in Cameroon.
Yes.
Okay.
They are collecting the money illegally. So you cannot listen to this and allow them to be there. When they are collecting money, okay, now go and check. Then the money they are collecting, where is the receipt? Have they given receipt? They come and collect money here illegally. Is that correct in Finland?
Okay.
So we're informing the police. Is it correct?
If you want to proceed this issue most effectively, you need to go to the police station in Pasila on Monday at 8 a.m.
No, but they are not here and they have gone with the money already. What?
They have just to come tomorrow.
Yes, to have after they go to UK with the money.
After they're going.
So if we call on Monday, what will happen again?
Yes, they are leaving. So they have to leave the money here. We check it first. The police have to check it and they have right to collect the money here. They are collecting money there. See, I mean, the plan was to collect 15,000 to 20,000 because they have plan to make 50 passports. €305 for one passport. And then when you check, now you take your time and check the embassy page in England. The passport is £146. In the that is about €165. So why they come and collect €305? Why? This is not fraud. No. And in addition to that, and that is why they are not.
You didn't even go in to see what they are doing there.
You have to check what they are doing. Not only us, check what they are doing there. Because the police came there and chased them out.
Okay,
They're
based on
standing on there.
this information, we don't have the right to go to take someone's house. This is a disturbance that other people might cause. We are here. Understand?
Yeah, they were informing you. We're informing you, want to know. You cannot encourage stealing in Finland. You know that you are stealing. You are stealing. Barrows there. You are stealing. That is theft. When you collect money, you don't give receipt.
They have to go because
So they have
if
to
they don't
check.
go,
It's very important
anyway,
that they-
something will happen.
Yes.
And after I will give all the explanation of why it have happened. They have to go.
We work hard here to get money.
They have
We
to
come and
go.
collect. So my family, I come and give them €1,200.
It was just 1 week ago, this regime killed 4 months baby. 4 months. There is a statement I can show you on my phone that the European Union have made about this regime. And they have not recognized it. And we decide that they don't have, as they don't respect our European institution, they don't have any right to operate even here. We will not accept that. We will not accept it.
So it is our interest to inform the Finnish institution because you cannot allow thievery in Finland. These are people coming to steal our money, collecting money, €305, no receipt. And that is not the official price. You can check the official price in the embassy page.
Have you paid up by the
I don't do that. That's why I went and
Do you
took an
know
alien.
people who has been
Yes,
buying
in the
those
morning
products?
people were there. And before we came, some people came there. So they have collected money for people.
Okay.
This is not correct. They cannot come and steal here in Finland.
Have you visited the embassy of Cameroon
In England,
in Finland? No,
We don't have any embassy of Cameroon here. No.
the embassy that you're
they are coming from London.
Okay.
They are not even from Finland.
Okay, but if you need to go to an embassy in Finland, where do you go?
We don't have any.
No, they have to go to the UK.
We don't have any.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where.
No, we have to go to Stockholm. It's the nearest.
Yeah,
We don't need to go to UK.
Stockholm is a consulate.
It's the consulate, right?
And the consulate don't make passports.
Okay.
Yes. And that is why you see a lot of Cameroonians have alien passport. So we take alien passport, travel to Cameroon and do our passport. And in Cameroon, the passport is about €110. Yes. And the official page, if you check the official page, passport is €165. What is the justification for €305?
If the situation is that they're leaving in 1 or 2 days, and you know that they have the money that they have collected illegally, and they're leaving the country, then you can call the emergency center or go to the police station and we will check it out. Because now we have solid information about it.
You can go now, 112.
I don't think there's need to call now, but yeah, you can
Yeah,
do
the
it.
which number, because you know that we are informing the police and we don't want this thing to slip. The police must check them.
Yes, I see your
They must be
concern,
checked
yeah.
because they're leaving tomorrow. They have program for today and tomorrow.
I think
So
the
we cannot
border.
allow this thing to continue here. They come and collect money illegally from Finland. And then after that, they'll brandish Finnish name. Finland is an illegal country because people can do fraudulent passport, collect 305 euros, to make passport for people. The Finnish passport, somewhere they pass, say, hey, yo, onko se eri passi? Onko siellä se on eri passi?
Kamerun passi jo.
Ja, mutta onko se eri? Se on sama paperi. Se on sama paperi. Paska passi. And they come and collect 305 euros.
Mennään mäkään tiedä noista hinnoitteluista, että saadaan ne periaatteessa pyytää sitä enemmän.
German passport is 25 euros. German passport. Namibian passport is 50 euros. Why Cameroon passport? Because they want to put some...
että he on nyt lähtemässä Suomesta ja meidän mielestä laittomasti kerännyt jotain siinä kohtaa sitten.
Yeah.
Ei meillä tässä kohtaa mitään perusteita lähteä mitään kämppää tuolta katsomaan, että mitä rahaa kerätty laittomasti.
Yeah, they were informing the police.
Mutta ei sen takia, että täällä on häiriöksi henkilöitä
Yeah.
tappelua menossa.
Yeah, we will not leave here until we inform the police that, and the police will ensure that they are checked, because even when then we were telling them, because they're telling them is that even when somebody is stealing in the shop, the police is coming to check what the person steal. So I'm very surprised with that statement. The police must check these people. The money
They must check them.
How much have they collected? How much receipt have they given? And you'll be surprised they don't give receipt. You'll be very surprised. They have collected money here, they give no receipt. So they don't pay tax. So this is fraud.
Okay, but if they leave before Monday,
They're leaving. I can give you the program. I'm going to the program.
Yeah, they are leaving.
They're leaving. They have a program for today and tomorrow. They're leaving. That is why we're serious with them today. We're serious with them. They're leaving. They're leaving. So they will sleep. Because then there will no evidence. We want evidence. There must be evidence. Because even when we're going to the court tomorrow, we want evidence. They are collecting money from Cameroonians. In cash. We collect cash. So we need the evidence, and only the police can help us to get that evidence. We need that evidence, so that if we are going to the court tomorrow, we have evidence. We collect cash here, no receipt. Cash. This is information correct. I'm telling you. I'm not lying. I've been here for 22 years. I'm correct here. So they're collecting cash here. Cash, no receipt.
The point is that it's a critical situation. It's a critical situation in Cameroon. I am originally from Ghana, but I've lived here for 7 years, and we all know how bad the situation is over there. We have the English speaking and the French speaking Cameroon, and there is this tension, and the conflict is not helping. People are dying every day because I have a media. Every day people send
Tu vois que François lit. Peut-être tu veux parler au groupe. Je te montre, ça m'a parlé ce que François Premier entre les gens de Amica, ils ont écrit ça. C'est parce que tu as vu ça.
Ah, je comprends. Pas bien sûr.
we only came here to make sure to let them know we need peace. You know? We just need peace to work.
I will call again the border control because I've been talking with them.
The border control.
Yeah, because they contact the foreign ministry to stop them even to come here. Yeah.
And you have the number for border police. Because the border police, even if in the airport, they must check how much they come with it.
Joo, haloo. Kato, olen lähettänyt teille saako posti pari päivää sitten. Se oli joku Kameruunin homma, joka tuli täällä Suomessa. Ja se saa lähettää mulle tekstiviestiä, että saa lähettää niin se tiedot ulkomailla ministeri. Okei.
It's not on the page. Embassy page is what? Embassy page is 165. Of course.
Hello. Yes, I sent an email a couple of days ago regarding the Cameroonian consulate who was supposed to come here in Finland to make a Cameroonian passport. And then you was replying me that to send an email to the foreign ministry. We are now here because those people are now here in Finland. Mikata also account.
And that is why you see people.
Makel and Kato. We are here and the police are here. I call also Finnish foreign ministry. They tell me to call the border control again. So I'm now here with the police. If I can give the phone to them, you can explain to them better. No, the problem is that I have sent an email a couple of days ago, like 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Yes. because there is Cameroonian consul who was supposed to come here in Finland.
Yeah, but now
Let me tell you so you can.
want the evidence.
Yes,
We must find the money they collect from the people here.
I sent an email to Border Control 2 days ago about the situation that there is a Cameroonian embassy in UK who are planning to come here in Finland today and tomorrow to make unlegal document. Yeah, there is police with us, but we contact the border control to stop them, and the border control send the message to the foreign ministry to answer about the question. And then I contact today because yes, I understand it. The case is that they are at the moment here in Finland. Those people.
This African situation that
Was it okay for those that they got this passport? They were happy
You say?
because they got passport.
No, we don't have problem with police because those people who were supposed to come, we call them police. Those people who were supposed to come to make unlegal. Yes. But can you check the email I sent? I think you can understand better. Could you read? I sent the email, it was 27 and 28, like a couple of days ago. The border control sent me back the email. Yes, Monday. So on the 28th, the border control sent me an email that they forward that to the foreign ministry. The name of the email, let me check now. I will just 1 second. Yeah, the name of the email, it was information on arrival of the Cameroonian authority. Information of arrival of the Cameroonian authority. Yes.
Quand ils vont sortir, vous demandez le reçu pour montrer la police privée, c'est complètement clé. C'est simple, parce qu'il y a des gens qui arrivent, qui sont là déjà. Il faut pas que la police parle. Pour le pouvoir qu'on est plus là, que c'est pour
So why can someone, because if somebody is going to steal, it's okay to the person to steal.
Yeah. And I get back the email from the on 28. I think I sent it 27 or 26, and I get it back 28. Okay. I give you the time. Just a minute. I get the email back from the border control. It was 1548. 1548. They sent me an email that they forward the email to the border to the foreign ministry. 348 exactly. I got past the email from them.
Check the ID. But they can check the information. As they have checked the information, they can check the information. This is important.
because they said that you were here so lovely and knocking doors, and there were so much voices that you have to go out. That's why we came here now.
The battery is gonna die.
No, no problem.
Okay.
No? Just 1 minute. I will tell you when I send the
We
email.
will now call out our boss and ask if we can come inside or not. And if boss says we cannot come,
Okay,
we
I
can
sent the
over
email.
and
It was
police go
27
out. And
to
you also go out and
27
this
to
case file.
27 14
And if you
2.
want, after this,
27 I
there's
sent that
some
email
reports
and the
that
time
you
was
literally
2
can
o'clock.
check the
2
police
o'clock, 2
station.
minutes.
And after it, police will check is this legally or not. Or do you understand now?
Yeah.
He's calling our boss. And let's check. If he says we cannot go in, so we cannot, and then we have to leave, and then you have to leave also because you cannot go inside. Okay. Let's check what he says. Okay.
How long have you been a police officer?
It was I arrived there. Urgent arrived of Cameroonian consulate in UK in Finland. There was urgent
Okay.
on the
We tried
message.
to get in, but
My name, you mean? No, there is my name. I'm the one who write the email. Yep, this is what I do. If I give you my email, could you check? That my friend, I didn't talk about any friend. I said the people who are not supposed to be here, they are here. They are over there, but the thing is that it's only border control who can stop them, or the foreign minister.
Oui, c'est ce que... Oui. Eh, il n'y a pas... Oui, nous... Oui, 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 oui. Oui.
And if
Oui, oui, oui.
no, I was thinking if they are that's why if you were seeing the email, you could have find all the reasons, but there was several reasons why they was not supposed to be. Okay, and if I give you my email, could you find it? Ah, okay. 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 You say? What you say? I. Uh-huh. No, let me tell you the email where I sent the email that I used to send. It was Raya Raya Vatiolaitos at Raya Pistefe. Oh, yeah? I see. How can I get the house? Okay. Can I get the phone number of the office that is okay. 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 I try to send it there. Okay. Thank you. Les gens, ils disent qu'ils appellent leur boss. Hein.
Oui. But see, it's not only that, they also have to check that they have an agreement to be here.
Yeah,
These
exactly.
people, and how much they're paying.
Exactly.
All those have to be checked.
Exactly.
See, Mama Africa want to show us that she has, she knows too much. We shall make a case. Yes. Shall make a case.
Donc, elle va nous, comme tu dis, elle va finir par nous montrer l'agrément qu'ils ont d'opérer ici et combien ils ont payé.
Because you say that there is something like that happening.
So you don't want to check that something happened.
We cannot go in because our boss said it's illegal for us if we go in now. After our boss has said, okay, you cannot go without evidence. So
They might need a warrant, maybe from the courts. Get a warrant.
we do wrong if we go and
So we'll have to go.
we are doing our
So
job.
Lisa will have to go to the police now. and get a warrant.
What?
You can go to the police now. The police office. The office.
As I said, if you want to do literally text about this case and if you have some evidence to, so you can do it later, yeah.
The one number.
But now it's not that you go 112 because police party cannot go in.
You already called the person who decides about this warrant fees.
Yeah.
He said no. Basically, it's information. The main issue is now that if you are disturbing here or somewhere else today, it's to train the person who you are.
So they have a reason to come and do what they're doing. That is what it means. They have a reason to come and do what they're doing.
So now you have to go somewhere else and not go back in. Because after you will go to the jail if you are going today back to the same place.
So they deceive the police. Did you tell their boss that they chased the Spanish hotel? Did you tell them that? You know that? Yeah, they chased the police.
You understood?
Alright, you two take care. Donc on va faire comment? On va aller à la police.
On va aller à la police. Ouais. On va aller à la police.
On va passer là.
Passe là. Je pense que c'est ce qu'on va faire. On va aller à la police.
Parce qu'apparemment, il veut nous faire comprendre que, mais je crois que la police est 24 sur 24, non?
Oui, c'est 24 sur 24. Oui, c'est 24 sur 24.
Tout le monde qui m'appelle, non, on me voit, nous doit continuer même plus longtemps.
Ah bon?
Donc, ils sont venus s'enfermer dans un domicile privé. Oui. Oui, allô?
Parce que les gagnants disaient qu'il faut qu'on fait, ils nous conseillent de faire les embauches. Embauche, ça veut dire qu'il faut attendre.
Oui, désolé.
Quand ils veulent sortir, aller, on les attaque.
Ok, ok. C'est bon. Bon, nous allons rester sur place et puis attendre de voir ces gens entrer ou sortir. Je vais devoir relancer la vidéo une fois nous les avons ici. Merci. Nous allons devoir les attendre sur place ici et je vais relancer la vidéo une fois.